Hey, what is up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Ataf Ahmed and today I'm going to tell you the top 10 upcoming smartphones of October 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first phone is going to be from Apple. Now Apple is going to launch 4 different models, which is the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12 Pro and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Starting with the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 will have a 6.1-inch Super Retina OLED display. It will have the Apple's latest A14 Bionic chipset. It will come with a 2775 mAh of battery, and here's the interesting fact. All the 4 models won't have a charging adapter and the earpods you get in the box. Now, I don't know why Apple did that, but
Dada, why? Why, Dada, why?
This is business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Shut up! Shut up!
talking about camera, you get a dual camera setup in the back, which is a 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and you get a 12 megapixel selfie camera. You get 3 variants of the iPhone 12, which is an 4GB 64GB, 4GB 128GB and 4GB 256GB. And the price of the iPhone 12 is expected to be around 58,000 rupees. At number 2 is the iPhone 12 mini. Now this will have a 5.4-inch Super Retina OLED display. It will have the Apple's latest A14 Bionic chip. It will have a 2227 mAh of battery. And talking about camera, you get the same as the iPhone 12. You get a 12 megapixel wide, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and you get a 12 megapixel selfie camera. And you get 3 variants with it, a 4GB 64GB, 4GB 128GB and 4GB 256GB. The price of this phone is expected to be around 52,000 rupees. At number 3 is the iPhone 12 Pro. Now this will have a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. It will have the Apple's latest A14 Bionic chipset. It will come with a 2775 mAh of battery. And talking about camera, you get a triple camera setup in the back, which is a 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. And you get a LiDAR scanner. You get 3 variants of the iPhone 12 Pro, a 6GB 128GB, 6GB 256GB and 6GB 512GB. And the price of this phone is expected to be around 78,000 rupees. At number 4 is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now this will have a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. It will have the A14 Bionic chipset, and you will get a 3690 mAh of battery. And talking about camera, you get a triple camera setup in the back, which is a 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 12 megapixel telephoto lens. And you get the LiDAR scanner. Now you get 3 variants of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, a 6GB 128GB, 6GB 256GB and 6GB 512GB. Now this phone will be priced around 85,000 rupees, and all the 4 models will launch on October 13. At number 4 is the Samsung Galaxy F41. Now this is a new series from Samsung called the Full On series. Now the F41 will come with a 6.4-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. You get the Exynos 9611 processor, and you have a 6000 mAh of battery with 15-watt super fast charger. And talking about camera, you get a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel depth sensor. And you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Now since this is a mid-range phone, the price should be around 15 to 16,000 rupees. And this phone will launch on October 8 at 5:30 PM. At number 6 is the OnePlus 8T. Now the OnePlus 8T will have a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. You will get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. You will have a 4500 mAh of battery with 65-watt fast charger. And talking about camera, you get a quad camera setup in the back with 48 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And you get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. And the OnePlus 8 will come on Oxygen OS 11, which is based on Android 11. You will get 2 variants of the OnePlus 8T, an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage and 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The price of this phone will be around 52,000 rupees, and this phone will launch on October 14. At number 7 is the Google Pixel 4a. Now this will have a 5.8-inch FHD plus OLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. You will have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor. You will have a 3140 mAh of battery with 18-watt fast charger. You will get a single variant, which is a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. talking about camera, you get a single camera in the back which is a 12.2 megapixel sensor and an 8 megapixel selfie camera. It is expected that this phone will come at a price range of 30,000 rupees and will launch on October 17. At number 8 is the Realme X3 Pro. Now this will have a 6.57-inch IPS LCD display with 120Hz refresh rate. You get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor. You have a 4500 mAh of battery with 65 watt fast charger. You get only one variant which is an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And talking about camera, you get a quad camera setup in the back which is a 64 megapixel main sensor, 13 megapixel ultra wide, 8 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And you get a dual selfie camera which is a 16 megapixel main sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide. The price of this phone is expected to be around 32,000 rupees and the launch of this phone is not yet confirmed, but it is said that this phone will launch by mid-October. At number 9 is another phone from Realme which is the Realme 7i. Now this will have a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. You will get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor. You will have a 5000 mAh of battery with 18 watt fast charging adapter. You get a single variant which is an 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. And talking about camera, you get the quad camera setup in the back which is a 64 megapixel main sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And you get a 16 megapixel selfie camera in the front. The price of this phone is said to be between 15 to 16,000 and this phone will launch on October 7. At number 10 is the Poco C3. Now this will have a 6.53-inch IPS LCD display with 60Hz refresh rate. You will have the MediaTek Helio G35 chipset. You will have a 5000 mAh of battery with 10 watt charger. You get two variants which is a 2GB 32GB and 4GB 64GB. Talking about camera, you get a triple camera setup at the back which is a 13 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Now since this is a budget phone, so the price will be somewhere around 9,000 or 10,000 rupees. The phone will launch on October 6 at 12 PM. So that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.